In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Arc search browser if it is not opening or functioning or working well. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're experiencing any issue with your Arc, maybe the browser is taking too long, it can't open or it keeps on crashing, follow any of these steps to fix this. In the first method, just go ahead and long press on your app and then choose app info. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the app info, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go under storage, you can see the breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. And when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache, then OK. And you can see our cache files have been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and it should be now working just fine. In most cases, this should be able to solve your problem with the Arc search browser. However, if you're still experiencing any other challenge, again, come back to this app info page, and this time around, go ahead again and tap on clear data, and then choose the first option, clear all data here. Then go ahead and open your app to see if the problem has been solved. But should this not solve your problem, then head to the next method, and that is looking for your app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and I've searched for my app here under my Play Store. Then look for any option for update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Arc search browser that might not be supported. So to solve this, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and update your app to the latest version before you can open and start using it. At this point, now everything should be okay. But should you still find a challenge, maybe the app still keeps on crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app. And then once you have uninstalled it, install it afresh on your smartphone to get the latest version that is free from bugs. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to get any issue with Arc browser solved. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.